Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this Tinkercad quick tip, I'm going to show you how the Scribble Tool works. This is one of my favourite tools in Tinkercad, and for younger learners, it's a really quick way to access the app. So I've made a disk here already, just a cylinder that I've squashed down, and I want to add a picture of my cat onto this disk. Now, I'm not going to just import a photo, I'm going to draw it using my stylus on the iPad. And to do that, I'm going to drag on the Scribble tool from the shape library here and place it on top of my disk. Immediately, you'll notice a change from how other shapes work in Tinkercad, because actually, rather than seeing the shape I've placed, I've been opened into this 2D screen with a piece of paper in the middle. At the bottom, I've got some drawing controls, very basic, undo, redo, a pencil and an eraser, and we've got two tools at the end that are a little bit different. I'll show you those in a second. For now, though, let's get a little bit creative. Now, I'm not an artist, and I'm not going to try and be an artist, but I am going to try and do a great drawing of a cat that a 4-year-old might do in your classroom. So rather than me being a bad artist, just treat this as a demo of what a 4-year-old might draw, I suppose. Anyway, it's terrible, but you can kind of see a cat in there. Some whiskers will probably help. Now, I want to actually colour in the ears and the eyes, and I could use the pencil tool that I've got at the moment and just shade it in. But actually, I've got those two special tools at the end that I mentioned earlier. I've got another pencil and another eraser here, but the difference being these will actually draw or erase whatever shape it is you draw. If I go onto the pencil one here, and then draw around the shape of the ears, you can see it's actually filling that middle section in a light blue, and as soon as I let go, it's filled that whole section. This is a really quick way of filling in large elements of your drawing, and for my students, I get them to use the pencil first to do an outline, and then I use this to fill in detail afterwards. Of course, the eraser works in the same way. Now, I don't think there's any way this could physically get any better. It's the perfect cat drawing, so I'm going to press done in the bottom corner. And just like that, my 2D sketch has become a 3D object in Tinkercad. And just like any other shape, I can manipulate it, I can rotate it, resize, rescale, anything that I want to do by using the on-screen controls that we've covered in previous videos. I'm going to squash mine down a little bit so it's a bit thinner, place it in the middle of my disk, and I can even change the colour, just like any other shape in Tinkercad. And what's really nice here is that this is not a finished design. We can have more than one Scribble tool in a model. In fact, we can have as many as we want to, which is a great way of adding some more colour and some more style, some more depth, some more layers. Whatever you want to do with your students, it's a really great way of adding that interest. I'll add one more Scribble tool by dragging and dropping it onto that disk again, and this time I'm going to write down Pudding, my cat's name. When I finish, I can press done just like before, and again I can recolour it and reposition it just as I want. And as easily as that, we've turned our own handwriting or our own drawings into a 3D object that we can use in Tinkercad. We can even 3D print this on a 3D printer if you wanted to. So that's a very quick tip about Tinkercad, but there are lots more videos about this great app on my YouTube channel. Check out the playlist at the end. I'll show you how you can create holes and groups, how you can duplicate things, and how we can use the awesome AR mode. I'll see you again for another Tinkercad quick tip soon.